Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to see someone's old stories on Instagram and whether it's possible or not. It's definitely possible to some extent, right? So for example, what you can do is you can record, stories from other people, or you can pretty much go and record the stories or screenshot the stories, right? And then you will have that archive of other people's stories, right, in your phone. Now, that's how to see basically someone's old stories. But there's another way how to do it is, for example, going on a profile, right? And if profile has highlights, you can see their older stories, right? Which is pretty awesome, right? So in this way, you can see their old stories. Maybe you missed something and then you want to just go and see their old stories. And that's pretty much it, right? It's, Instagram doesn't really allow you as a person, right, to see someone's old stories, because that's again invading privacy, right? So again, make sure you know that before going into any other tools that will see someone's old stories. Again, these are the two pretty much best ways to see someone's old stories on Instagram. Now I hope this video helped you out still. And if it did, leave a like down below, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you guys for watching.